My name is Graciela Izquierdo Navarro. I am 52 years old. Currently if live in Bogota. I live with my husband, Nice, and my two cats, Agatha and Maximiliano. I am married and I have a daughter. This is my third semester and UNAT, studying business administration. I work at the Archivo General de la Nación in the financial area. I like dancing, listening to music, painting, and making craft, watching basketball and soccer, and going to the movies. The Tayrona Park is and how it was the best experience of the country for the fellow travelers. Park Tayrona is like located in the Caribbean coast. I Oro bus ride from the city of Santa Marta. The natural park interesting for those interested in the natural and fishing wildlife. Tirona is also the great guide for those who simply want to relax and on the side in the lovely South America coast. Line have digital decks and get closer natural and just for adventure by leaf. Strange price to the park. The strange fee is 39,500 code 11 dollars. For the foreigners is the quiet price for Colombia standards that it will make sense to stay longer than 1 2 days. It's necessary carry passport, the cashier records and the ticket when how you board to ticket. Don't forget it please. Tab about the food. Remember when in the port the civilizations is remote and you have three options for food. Bring yourself for any amount of days you will be staying. Eat from local cafes that are in the edge camp. Convenient the above two options. If you are traveling to bulk, you can bring your own food in your black pack. What to bring to Tayrona Park? Here are the things that you should definitely pack in your backpack. Some black water you might buy some bladder, but I need at least one to get on the place. Mosquito repellent, sunglasses, swimming suit, long sleeve, canned food, a torch, a camarera. Also, good soap and sneaker will do, and flip-flops for using communal showers, or an case to warranty no there is no internet in Tayrona National Park simply relax.